Keep the kids entertained with this fun and interactive game. Let the kids customize it for different themes or skill levels, perfect for rainy days and family game night. Here's what you'll need: Sandtastic colored floral sand and/or Sandtastic classic colored sand, Sandtastic round sand art bottle, a large plastic container, cardstock, scissors, pen, assorted trinkets, and glue. Select your preferred sand colors and a variety of quirky trinkets. Customize the sand colors and trinkets to suit a particular theme, or go for an oddball random assortment as we've done here. Cut a bunch of rectangular cards out of the cardstock. Write the name of each trinket on a card. If you want to make the game more challenging, you could write a hint instead of the object's actual name. For instance, instead of writing ice cream, you could have the card say something sweet or frozen treat. To add visual interest and another fun challenge to this game, we've created a mini search and find within a larger search and find. If you want to make the game easier, you could skip this step, but it definitely adds some cool visual interest. Insert several small trinkets into a Sandtastic round sand art bottle. Pour the bottle about halfway full with the sand of your choice. Sandtastic floral sand makes for objects that are easier to find, whereas this Sandtastic classic colored sand makes finding the objects more challenging. Screw the cap on tightly and insert the mini search and find into the large plastic container. Place the remaining objects into the plastic container. Fill the container about halfway with the sand of your choice. For this game, we opted for contrasting colors of coarse Sandtastic floral sand in the two containers. The amount of sand you use also determines the challenge level, so to make the game more challenging, just add more sand. Screw the top of the large container on tightly and you're ready to play. For younger or slightly mischievous kids, we recommend you glue the container permanently shut. There are a few ways to play. For easy solo play, pick a card off the top of the deck and find the object. To make it more challenging, set a timer and see how many items you can find in 1 minute. For a relaxed multiplayer game, take turns picking a card and searching for the object. To make it more competitive, set a timer and find your object before the time runs out. If you have time left over, find more objects. The person who finds the most objects by the time you go through all the cards wins. These products and more available now at Sandtastic.com.